Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do an unboxing from my good friend Stacey. She is a angel send. She has been so wonderful to me. She has been there through hard times. Girl, thank you for all of that. I couldn't have done it without you. You are definitely a shoulder to cry on, a best friend, and my sister. And I don't want to get all emotional. I can feel it coming on, but I love you very much. And I wanted to do this on here because you mean so much to me. This here, she said, was birthday and Christmas. My birthday is the 14th of December. And then she wanted to also do Christmas too. I do have another gift coming from her too. Girl, you should have sent me so much stuff. But anyways, I wanted to do it on here so you guys can all see it, and you'll be able to see my face too, honey bun. So first off, I got a card here and a box, and I noticed just now it's from Sephora. I have never gotten anything from Sephora, ever. I've never even bought myself anything from Sephora. So I'm super excited to see what it is. I have untaped it, hopefully if it's all untaped, so that it doesn't take so long to do this. But here's the card. I got everything turned around because I don't want the addresses, the address of any of us to show. So here is the card. I'm gonna open it. A very beautiful card. She's got little stickers on it. And she's got RRR, must be for her last name maybe. But here's the card.
Angel.
What?
Why don't you say her last name?
I don't even know how to. How do you say it? Do you know?
I don't know, but I think it's really hard to say it.
Yeah.
I haven't looked at it, but I'm not even going to attempt it.
I'm sure she'll tell me. So, but anyways, no, she's just such a dear sweetheart to me. If you notice, I'm in my outfit of the day. You guys already seen this video yesterday. So, but yeah, I got this gift a few days ago and just got over to my new place, got it, and I'm back at my old place again. So anyways, let's start with the card. Look at this beautiful card. Isn't that gorgeous? It's all sparkly. And it says, oh, I had it upside down. It says, Merry Christmas, my friend. Inside, it says, my dearest, sweetest angel. Now, I better not start crying. Merry Christmas. Well, first I'll read what the card says. Your friendship has been a welcome gift in my life. Yep. They're going to start rolling down, girl. Now during... Silly, what are you doing? Right in the middle of reading a card.
You were crying. I didn't want to get you crying.
Now during this very special time of the year, I want to wish you every happiness this season has to offer and all the love one friend can send to another. And she wrote, Merry Christmas and a very happy and blessed new year. I love you, sweetheart. You are my sister that I never had. I love you, sweet doll. Love, Stacey. Thank you, sweetheart. You guys don't understand. She's very, very dear to me. She is definitely sent from God. So now there is another envelope on here. So let me get this up. I did untape it, but obviously not good enough. All right, now open this card. Your friendship is a blessing. A beautiful rose. Girl, we should get matching tattoos together one day. We'll do that. Happy 43rd, happy 43rd, 1975, our year. That's right, we both were born in 1975. Dear Angel, on your birthday, I want you to know how happy I am to be part of your life and to have you in mine. You're amazing. You amazed me time and time again with your kind heart and warm spirit. You inspire me with your friendship and caring. I want you to know how grateful I am for you. And I'm so grateful for you too, sweetheart. Happy birthday. So very happy you came into my life. You are a godsend, sweetie pie. I love you. Love, Stacey. Thank you, sweetheart. You guys can tell how special she is to me. She's very, very, very special to me. So now on to the present. Hopefully it's all the way open. Nope, not all the way untaped yet. Like I said, I've never gotten anything from Sephora, so I'm pretty excited about this. Don't show the addresses. Don't show the addresses, honey.
No, I wanted to see the last name.
The what? Oh. Sorry, Stace. I'm trying the tape. I'm going to end up cutting myself.
I know how to say it.
I can't get in this box. Failing in the camera work. All right, here we go. Okay, oh my goodness, what is here? Oh, girl. First up, we got some face masks. We got a cocoa and shea butter treatment mask. I love masks. Sephora avocado hand masks. Wow. And this is a pedicure one. Ooh, I'm going to use this on my next pedicure. Thank you, sweetheart. And last but not least, my very first expensive palette. Thank you so much, honey. Oh my God, I'm like shaking. I'm shaking. I've never owned a high-end expensive palette. And my good friend, my sister got me one. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Who is it? Sorry.
Sweetie.
It is UD. It looks like UD. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my God, so pretty. Oh my God, it's like purple. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, look at those beautiful fall colors. Wow, that is gorgeous. Girl, I have never ever owned a high-end makeup, so I'm super excited about this and I can't wait to use them. In fact, look at that blue. I could have used that today, but I didn't get it till after I did my outfit, so. And it's got some other beautiful colors that would have went great. Oh my God, there's got some shimmers in there. Gorgeous. I cannot wait. Oh, I probably should cover that mirror. Beautiful colors. This palette is gorgeous. I can't wait to try it. Like I said, I have never ever owned a high-end palette, but leave it to my good sister, my best friend, to get me my very first high-end palette. I love you, honey. Thank you so much. I will treasure this. I will use it in all my Outfits of the Day videos. And I thank you so much again from the bottom of my heart. Love you so much. God bless you, sweetheart. And everybody else, God bless all of you. And take care.
Minnie. Minnie. Look at her eyes. Cool.
Bye, everyone.